Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to present the 4-day lecture of assignment number 4, and as you know that this is our 4th day and the 4th day is our literature day. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 of the novel Lost Word. Okay, in chapter number 1 you you were introduced with the character of Edward Malone, who was the first and foremost character of the story, right? He was the main character of the story, and in the first chapter, you came to know that why he decided to go to the adventure, just because of that lady, right? Because of that lady, he decided to go towards the adventure. Now, in the chapter number 2, you will come to know that how he is going to start his journey, how he is going to take initiative, to whom he is going to meet, to whom he is going to have an interview, what they both will discuss over there. What Basically, in chapter number 2 you will see that Edward is going to take interview of a man called Professor Challenger, who had been towards the Amazon forest previously, but nobody believed him, right? He had seen different kind of creatures over there, but no one believed him because he has no proof. So Edward was going to take the interview of that man whose name is Professor Challenger. There would, in chapter number 2, mainly there is a meeting between Professor Challenger and Edward Malone, right? When you will read this chapter, you will come to know that who was Professor Challenger and how this interview helped Edward Malone to go for an adventure, right? So this is a kind of important chapter. Read this chapter very much carefully. Focus on the Read this chapter in a loud voice, and kindly please focus on your pronunciation. You have to pronounce the word very clearly and in a proper phonics. While reading, underline all the difficult words, right? Underline all the difficult words and then find their meaning from the dictionary. When you read the chapter number 2, do discuss with your parents that who was Edward Malone, who was Challenger, why Edward Malone took interview of Challenger, what Professor Challenger told to Edward Malone, the where he went, how he lost his proof, what happened with him. You have to discuss each and every detail with your parents, and the parents should also take interest while listening to their child's story, right? And this was all from the chapter number 2. Read the chapter independently, read the chapter carefully, you will come to know the next given information in this chapter. After reading the chapter, you have to give answer of these questions, right? What time was Professor Challenger going to be interviewed? This question means that at what time Edward Malone will take interview of Professor Challenger. At what time has been given to Edward so that he may come to Challenger's office and took interview. You have to mention the time. Name the reporter and newspaper. You have to tell the name of the reporter. So who is the reporter? You know very well, Edward Malone. And the newspaper, in which newspaper Edward Malone worked. It is mentioned in chapter number 1 that in which newspaper he works. So obviously he'll be going to take interview for the same newspaper. So you have to write the name of the reporter and you have to write the name of that newspaper. What was there in the knapsack? What is meant by knapsack? Knapsack is a bag which is placed on the shoulder, which is on your shoulders, right? It's the same bag which you carry to your schools, right? The shoulder bag, you can say, in which you place your equipments, right? So he was saying that what was there in that bag. When you will read the chapter, you will come to know that about which bag they are talking about. What kind of drawing did the reporter find in the sketchbook? There was a sketchbook which had been shown to Edward, and it was of Professor Challenger. So the question is, what was there in that sketchbook which Edward Malone saw, right? What kind of drawings were there? So you have to mention this, the drawings, that what was drawn over their sketchbook, right? So please do this work on your loose sheets, and these are very easy questions. Read the chapter thoroughly, and in case of any question, if you are unable to understand any question, do ask me. Thank you.